Hello, welcome to Shy Coder. My name is Sunny, and in this video, I will show you how to implement basic undo redo feature using a stack. This is going to be a basic CLI based app where we can enter text and perform undo redo operation. First, we need undo stack of type string, stack of string, and we need a redo stack um, of type string. And then we need a string buffer to store our text, whatever the user enters. And then we need a scanner, of course, to read the user input. So that will be of scanner. I'm going to call it command reader. It's a new scanner, and we'll pass system.in. And then we need to create a main method to start this app. This main method will contain our REPL. A REPL is nothing but read, evaluate, process, and then loop. So first we will add a read function, and I'm going to call it read command, which will return a command. Next is to process command, and here we'll pass command itself. And here we'll print uh, whatever we have in the text, and I'm gonna just format it uh, within a bracket, like so. Mm, a new line, and we're gonna insert text to string, and then we will loop this entire set of function for, let's say, infinite time. We want to loop, so while true, it keeps on running. And that's our REPL kind of user interface, how a user is going to interact with the application. So now let's go ahead and implement each of these functions, uh, starting with read command. And the way we implement read command is basically we are going to show a arrow sort of thing to indicate this is a command prompt. And then we return uh, command reader dot next word, so only the word before space, and this will be let's say to uppercase, so that it will be easy to match. Next we implement process command method. Here I'm gonna add a switch on the command. So we are going to switch command, and we're gonna match several cases here. So first case, let's say if the command is write, in that case we want to call a write method with with the rest of the line whatever we have in command reader. So next line, and then we break out of the switch. Similarly, we will have another case, let's say undo, and in case of undo we are going to call undo method, undo text, and break out of this case again. Next case, we will have a redo case where we will call uh, redo text method, and this is going to perform operation on redo stack, canbrick, and another case I'll have is exit case. So if you enter exit, then we terminate this application. So for that, system dot exit and with 0. Okay. By default, let's say if anything else is entered, then we'll simply print a message system dot out dot println. We're gonna say unsupported uh, operation. Okay, so yeah, that's our command processor. So now let's implement each of these method, starting with write. And the way we write is basically we take this string and we are going to append it to our text. So we call text dot append with a string, and uh, let me just rename it to input text for better readability, and then we add the same string to undo stack, which we will use to undo operation. So undo dot push input text. Okay. So now we do let's say undo text. Inside undo text, what we are going to do is basically first check if stack is uh, stack is not empty. So, and if stack is not empty, then we will let's say pop last input undo dot pop. Here we can either cast this to a string, or you can go back and define this undo as type of a string on the declaration end. Same thing we'll do with redo as well, and that should solve the error. Okay, so undo.pop will return the last input as a string, and that same input we are going to find the index in the text. So let's say text index text dot index of last input. Okay, and for this text index we are going to remove it from text. So text dot delete, and we pass text index till the last index. So whatever was entered in the last, we want to remove it. And then this last input itself, we are going to push it to redo text. So if in case user wants to redo, the same text can be inserted back. And that's our undo. Now let's implement redo text, and it's fairly simple. We are just going to check if the redo text is not empty. Mm. In that case, we pop the string from redo. That will be our last input, and redo dot pop, and this same last string, last input, we are just going to write it. So this write method call will basically add this last input to the text and to undo stack. So that's our text box, and of course we don't need these string here, as we have defined the type on the declaration side. Now let me just quickly create a run configuration for this Java file, so that we can uh, directly click on run button to start this app. So add new application, and then we select our class, choose text box, then let's name it text box itself, and save. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, write hello, uh, say hello, and we'll write um, my name is, and then we can write let's say Sunny. So that gives us string hello, my name is Sunny. And now if we do undo, uh, if you see Sunny is removed, and now we can, let's say, do redo, we got the string back. If I do undo and then write Kumar, it's added to the string. And if I do undo again, Kumar is gone. If I do undo again, if you see, my name is gone because we are tracking the whole string that was entered at once. And if we do redo here, uh, then the whole string will be back. If we do redo again, Kumar is back. And if I enter any garbage value, then we get unsupported operation, and we have exit support as well. And that's a simple app with undo redo feature using stack. Feel free to experiment on your own. You can try to refine it further, maybe store more metadata to have word by word undo redo, or come up with some more unique ideas. Thank you for watching Tricoder. If you have any doubts or suggestion, let me know down in the comments. If you find this tutorial helpful, please share this video and keep visiting Tricoder. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.